What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to live stream on YouTube using your mobile phone. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a plus button. Tap on it to open the camera. Once the camera opens, swipe right to switch to the Live tab. Here, you will see multiple options to customize your live stream. You can change the title of your stream, adjust the visibility settings, and even rotate the camera if needed. There are also options to enable or disable the microphone, turn the camera on or off, switch between horizontal and vertical streaming, and even turn on the flashlight for better lighting. If you're planning ahead, you can also schedule your live stream for later. Once you've made all the adjustments to your preferences, tap Next. You'll then need to specify whether your content is made for kids or not. After that, just click on Go Live, and you'll begin streaming live on YouTube from your mobile phone. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.